My name is Tom Skrodzki, and I do indoor air quality and mold remediation. At first, mold cleaning was just a part-time job. I got into it by doing home inspections and seeing there was a big need. People were just neglecting the mold in their home. Almost every home has mold, and I see a lot of homeowners mistreating it and making matters worse for themselves. So there's a lot of dangers of having mold in your home. It can range from life-threatening to allergies, asthma. With this new technology of DOT, it's easy to remove the mold from their homes and make a safe environment. DOT is an amazing product to work with. DOT reduced my steps from 4 to 1 by not having to use 4 different products to accomplish the same task. It's just like magic. Mold stain just disappears. The benefits of using DOT are the ease of use, less chemicals to carry around, less jugs to store. Mixing is a lot easier. It's less stress and wear and tear on equipment, and easier for the technicians to get in and out of people's homes with. My wife and I, we have 10 children, 4 grandchildren, and now 2 dogs. Knowing that I'm building a legacy with the company and I can pass it on to my children, and that we are providing a service for the homeowners gives me peace of mind and gives me the ability to sleep at night.